Dear learners, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am here to take an English class. This class has been especially designed for the students of class 9. Dear learners, you know that we are facing a serious epidemic called COVID 19. In this time, it has taken an epidemic form. Every day, it has taken away many valuable lives. So, at first, I advise you to stay at home, use masks, use sanitizer, and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. This is Himanshu Shaha, assistant teacher of English of Fort Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna. At first, I would like to thank all of the viewers, all of the respected guardians, all of the honorable teachers who are watching this video. This class will be helpful for other classes also. Today, I will show you some slides. Let's start our today's class. English first paper for class 9. Writing a good paragraph. Learning outcome. After studying the lesson, students will be able to identify a paragraph, identify the parts of a paragraph, learn for writing a paragraph. At first, do you know what is a paragraph? Yes, a paragraph is a group of sentences put in a systematic order. It may also be defined as a group of sentences that develops one idea. Look at the following group of sentences. I am proud of being a student of this school. It is in the district of Mymensingh. The school is famous for its good teaching and good results in the SSC examinations. I read in Kandipara High School. It has a beautiful building and a large playground in front of it. No, this is not a paragraph because number one, the sentences are not put in a systematic order. Number two, so the idea is not developed in an orderly manner. Number three, the sentences are separated from each other. Now look at the group of sentences after rearrangement. I read in Kandipara High School. It is in the district of Mymensingh. It has a beautiful building and a large playground in front of it. The school is famous for its good teaching and good results in the SSC examinations. I am proud of being a student of this school. This is of course a paragraph because number one, the sentences are in a coherent arrangement. Number two, so the idea is developed in an orderly manner. Number three, the sentences are not separated from each other. Number four, it develops a topic. A good paragraph consists of three important parts. They are: number one, beginning, that is topic sentence; number two, middle, that is supporting details; number three, conclusion, that is closing sentence. How many parts are there of a paragraph? A good paragraph consists of three important parts. They are beginning, middle, and conclusion. Topic sentence, supporting details, closing sentence. The beginning or topic sentence introduces the topic or subject of the paragraph. The middle or the body develops and provides supports to the topic sentence. The conclusion or end sums up and reaches a conclusion about the topic or subject. Example 1. Topic sentence. It states the main idea of the paragraph, such as the most important problem in our city is its poor public transportation system. Thousands of residents rely on the city's buses and taxis to travel throughout this large city, while the metro transportation system's daily schedules are totally unreliable. A bus or taxi that should arrive at 7:45 may not arrive until 8 or later. Moreover, it is not unusual for a bus driver to pass up groups of people waiting for the bus because he wants to make up for lost time. Unfortunately, people often end up going to work late or missing important appointments. These sentences are supporting sentences. In order for in order for people to get to their destinations on time, people must allow for waiting time at the bus and taxi stops. And this sentence is concluding sentence. Now complete the plan for writing a paragraph shown below. Add more supporting details, then write the paragraph on the party I enjoyed, thanking the host of the party. Main idea and point of view. Writer enjoyed a party to show appreciation for being invited. Topic sentence 1. Topic sentence, I just wanted you to know how much I enjoyed your party. Supporting details. Number 1. The traffic draw was so much fun. The raffle draw was so much fun. Number 2. The food ... Number 3. And I was so glad to meet ... 4, 5 ... Conclusion. I was so touched by your entertainment that I would carry the memory for a long time. Things to be observed. Number 1, a paragraph must be written in one paragraph. Number 2, the sentences should not be detached from one another, i.e. sentences should be written in prosaic passages from form. Number 3, the same point should not be repeated. Number 4, it is better not to quote from any writer or philosopher. Number 5, things to be observed. Number 5, the sentences in a paragraph should be in the indirect space. Number 6, though there is no hard and fast rule about the size of the paragraph, it may be limited within 100 to 150 words. Number 7, all the sentences should be relevant. All the sentences should be relevant to the topic of the paragraph. Things to be observed. Number 8, the sentences in a paragraph should be arranged in the proper and systematic order. Number 9, the paragraph should be written in plain English with common and simple words. Number 10, the paragraph must have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.